Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to order from AliExpress. First of all, you have to create your account or log in to your already existing account if you have one. Then you should browse AliExpress application to find product that you want to order. You can explore your homepage or go to searching bar at the top of your screen to find specific product that you're into. So when you found the item that you want to order, tap on it to open its details, and now let's check seller's reputation. So you need to go to seller's page by tapping name of the store below the photos of the item, and at the top you should see percentage of the positive feedback. So you always want to aim for at least 95% of the positive reviews. Okay, so let's go back to this item and check the item. First of all, you have to go to description of the item. It could be product details and also some specifications. So check out those. And also here you can see detailed description of the item and also some photos that seller provides me. And of course you should go to reviews section. But unfortunately I cannot see any reviews right here, but okay, so let's change the item. So go to reviews and pay attention to those reviews that go with photos, because they can expose real quality of the item and not just polished photos that you always see from the sellers right here at the top. So once you made sure that the seller is reliable and you want to order this item, you can select the quantity of the items that you want to order. You can select color, you can select model, and you can press add to cart button, or you can tap buy now button to proceed to checkout page. So here you should firstly set your delivery address. So let's go to here, and you can edit your already existing shipping address. You can delete it. You can add new address, and then you have to select your payment method. So here are many options to choose from. You can add new card, or you can see some other options. Tap confirm. And also at the summary page you can apply your coins or your coupons. In other words, this is promo codes. You can enter it right here. And basically when you're ready to order, you have to press pay now button, and after payment you can track your item in the section my orders until it's delivered. And for example, if you have an issue with your product, you can open a dispute to get a refund or replacement of the item. So as I said, it's pretty simple. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.